Akash, thank you again for joining the call. It's a pleasure to have you on this brief
Yeah.
catch up. All right. So, for all our viewers out there, can you briefly introduce yourself and share your educational and work background?
I'm Akash. I'm from Cuddalore. I had done my engineering, BE Mechanical in Coimbatore, CATIA College. And after
Okay.
that, I had like a 3 to 4 years of internship experience in Royal Enfield. Then I had still 3 more months of experience in SAAB engineering in Bangalore as a quality inspector. After that, I could come across to hear about this Skill-Lync. So
Okay.
after that, I had joined that Skill-Lync to learn this designing software.
Okay.
So after that, I had gone to a course. Now I'm currently in TATA Gotion
Okay.
as a designer.
Okay. Great. Good to hear that. You mentioned that you came across Skill-Lync, right? How did you come across it, and what motivated you to enroll?
Actually, what has motivated, like I was searching for a well-to-do site which will give me a knowledge about briefly, because when I was started up my career and choose that I want to go to be a design engineer, I was literally been in a zero idea about designing. So wherever institute I was like having, I had raised the question that I'll be 0% in design knowledge. Will you able to uh, upgrade me from the 0%? So for that question, I got a proper reply. As I was got satisfied with the reply from Skill-Lync.
Okay.
So that point has motivated me to join Skill-Lync.
Okay. All right. And what is the program that you took, and what was it regarding the content that stood out to you?
Okay, I took a program on CATIA software design, which
Okay.
is basically I gone through on basic of the CATIA software. Then not only the software knowledge, I had gained a knowledge of for what we are doing. Just
Okay.
we don't have a knowledge of the tool alone. For what this tool, particularly for what? What is a technical term background around it? That is also I gained knowledge from that course.
Okay. So, how was the learning experience different from your typical college education?
Uh, when you ask about the learning type, it was obviously in online. So when it is come to online, first tip is like we should spend some time in online. And
Mhm.
from Skill Inside, they had arranged several sessions. Also, if you are having doubts, also they were arranging some sessions and making it to clear the doubt. So in that terms, it is like I feel like I was learning something new from my home without like going out.
Okay. So, can you talk a bit about the projects that you worked on and how they helped you build job-ready skills?
Okay. What other project I have worked on here is regarding side mirror of the car, boot and rooftop and A pillar, B pillar, door pad interiors. These things I had a experience with the skilling while I was learning the process, and this makes me to understand how. For example, if there is a car is being designed, we are seeing the only the overall design for what it is designed. For example, what is a crumble zone, for what it is like kept.
Mhm.
So, as per normal people understanding, if a
Mhm.
car is get crumble, it is not a like safety one. But as per technical terms, if it is get crumbles in the front and back, when it is not giving any impact to the passenger only sitting inside, that is a safetiest car as per technical terms. So,
Right.
such kind of technical things I was got well-to-do knowledge and skill in.
Okay. Great. So, how did Skill-Lync support you in preparing for the placements and the interviews?
Yeah, so regarding that, they had from my initially they had start my LinkedIn account also. They had uh, given me some tips, and for initial stage they had trained me over. You should mention like that from your resume design, from your LinkedIn profile, everything they took it personally and they had given many tips and many like format to be, which is very in a professional way. So such kind of things I had gone through Skill-Lync. So they had helped me in such things. So with that I had
Can you walk us through your interview process that you had at Tata Gotion?
yes, actually totally I had 2 interviews.
Okay.
First interview is I don't know about that company name. It is some startup company. I had an interview in that. Hopefully I was not selected
Okay.
because I got selected in Tata next company. That's why I mentioned that hopefully.
Okay.
And next is I got in Tata. And in Tata I got through for 4 rounds. In 4 rounds, 3 is a technical rounds.
Okay.
3 rounds is gone for a technical. First round is a common technical round, which is like help me with my degree. What
Okay.
I have learned as a mechanical engineer, what is my basic knowledge about designing, such things are happened. And the second round is they are went to in a tooling test. Tooling test in the sense they are testing the software, how I'm using. They had given me a sample design. With that, they have given me some time period within that how I'm designing. They have given me a 2D data. They made me to convert into 3D. So such thing has happened. In that case, since Skill-Lync has provided me the software through VPN, it is useful. If I'm not having the software, then I should go to the location where I was. For example, if it is in Pune, then I have to reach out to Pune. In company, I have to go and take the tool test. So after that only I came to know I selected or not. So anyhow I have to be travel. Since I had a software access with me, that has useful in that time. I was done that software thing also in online.
Okay.
So that was a great help I got from Skill-Lync at that time. And after that HR round and I got selected.
Okay, great. So what kind of questions were asked? Any brief about it, and how confident did you feel during the interview because of the preparation that you did?
Yes, actually in Skill-Lync, before I'm attending the interview, I got a like what a finalized test has happened. Internally test happened from Skill-Lync side before they are giving a certificate of that he is a designer, he is a trained in Skill-Lync. Before that, we had a same kind of interview session on like technical. I mean, in designing things, they have been in line and they have been checking how us like we are doing the design and grading us regarding that. So that when it is like that, it is second time I'm attending. It doesn't feel like first I was attending that.
Okay.
So when that is when something is given, when something you have already done, if you are going to for second time, you will get like, okay, we know this road, we can choose.
Correct.
Hopefully, like that.
Okay. All right. Good to hear that. So, how has the job experience been so far with you at Tata Gotion? What are the expectations from other graduates like you?
They are expecting first software knowledge. Also in Tata Gotion, they had took the person who is just passed out of college. Since they don't know the software knowledge, first they had took them as an intern in third party. After that, they will be like decided they are permanent or not. Since I was completed the course in Skill-Lync, I got recruited as a permanent employee. So in that case, people are expecting some upgraded version of you, which is like we can't tell because of experience we can get. The experienced people is different. Since we all can't gain experience immediately see come out of college. At that case, if any course if you are doing, it will make us to gain that knowledge. So that was the expectation over there.
Okay. And how was your experience so far in the current company?
It is going good for me. Currently, I am in Gujarat. So before, first I had appointed in Pune. So from there, I was transferred to here. I'm doing good, going good everything.
Great. So, what advice, as a final word, right? What advice would you give to students or professionals considering Skill-Lync courses?
Advice in the sense I will tell you can go through Skill-Lync and whatever doubts you are having when you taken a course, you should speak clearly to them so that they will give you a clear explanation. Or if you are trying twice or thrice also, if you are not understanding, you can reach out to them to do it again, mean it again. They will arrange that, because I had gone through for one topic. I had gone till 4 attempts of same topic. So my advice is, if you are having some doubt, don't go forward. Finish that, and after that you can go forward.
Okay. Great. Any other final concluding words that you want to say?
I want to say that if you are choosing Skill-Lync, that you are in a right side, you can go forward.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much for your time today, Akash. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
And I wish you all the best. It's good that you got into Tata. I hope you'll make good use of it as well. Keep upskilling and keep putting your efforts over there as well. All right, Akash. Thank you so much for your time today. Have a good day. Bye.